What's up, everybody? Rob here. You're watching another episode of Man vs. Pin. And happy Cinco de Mayo! Or de Mayo, whatever. For those of you unfamiliar with the Spanish language, that means the 5th of May. If you really want to get down to it, it celebrates the Battle of Puebla, where the Mexicans kicked the French's ass. Boom! Didn't think I fucking knew all that, huh? Not just a pretty face. Well, here in America, we love Cinco de Mayo. It means that we can get absolutely fucking schlammered on margaritas and eat as many goddamn tacos as we want. Which brings us to our first stop. Yeah. Do they still have fucking chalupas? Yeah, give me 5 beef soft tacos, 5 beef hard tacos, 3 chalupas, 5 gorditas. Oh, and the nacho fries. Oh, we gotta get the nacho fries. And throw in one of those fancy little shakes. Oh, and you know what? Let's do one of those Mexican pizzas. That's gonna be it. What the fuck is this? Epic mealtime over here? Awesome. Thank you very much. Yeah, happy Cinco de Mayo! Boom, tacos, check. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever seen the television show The Last Man on Earth, but hidden within this series is probably one of the greatest television inventions of all time, the Margarita Pool. What the fuck is a Margarita Pool, you may ask? You're about to fucking find out. Time to hit up the margarita store! Here we go. Oh, where is it? Oh yeah, here's the good stuff right here. Some Pepe Lopez. Let's get a bunch of these. Get some mix over here. Boom, margaritas, check. All right, now we're on to picking up the most important supply of this whole fucking project. Oh, they look like they're having fun. Oh yeah, can't forget the salt for the rim. Boom. Oh yeah, and of course, while we're at it, we can't forget the piñata. Oh, maybe one of these hats. Definitely need this. Maracas? No, yeah, too much. Boom! Happy Cinco de Mayo, motherfuckers. Drinking a little pumpkin drublick, which is what we're about to get. All right, let's blow this pool up. Oh, look at these fucking kids having fun, huh? Imagine if that was filled with a margarita. Oh my God. Okay. Holy shit. All right, boom, here we go. Hang this thing up over here. Oh yeah, that's looking good right there. Just as good as these white, bright legs. Jesus Christ, I need to wear shorts more often. All right, let's get this party started. Ooh, oh, that's good. Yeah! Woo! A little bit of this, a little bit of that. I don't even know if these proportions are correct or not, but... Boom. A little triple sec. You know, we know how to make drinks around here. Yeah. Tequila! Tequila! Oh, you want some? Oh wait, I don't think you're old enough to drink in this pool yet. You calm down. Woo! Just a little. It just needs a little bit more. A little bit more. Yeah, that's the last of it. Hold on. Triple sec. A little bit more triple sec. That should be good. Delicious. You ready for this? I'm ready for this. Senors and senoritas, I present to you the Margarita Pool. Huh? Happy Cinco de Mayo. Oh, wait, hold on. I gotta get dressed. I'll be right back. We did it. Ugh, too much. This is a little too much. I got my flippy floppies on. I got my margarita glass. Let's take a little dip. Oh yeah, woo, that's nice. A nice aroma when you get in. Smells like spring break in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, where's my margarita glass? Here we go. Cheers to Margarita Pool. Woo. I was just worried about spilling it. Woo. Oh, I almost forgot. Oh, yeah. Duh. Oh, here we go. Yeah. There it is. That's how you do it. Oh. A little salt on the rim there. Oh yeah. A little weak. Could use some more. Oh, that's nice. It just kind of floats there. Huh? Ugh. Give me a little bit more of this here. Oh yeah. Boop boop. Cheers. Woo. There we go. Oh, that's good. Hey, how's it going? Our neighbor over there. How are you? Just swimming in a pool of margaritas. Don't mind me. Woo! That'll wake you up. It's getting a little chilly in here, so just having her heat it up a little bit. Okay, not that fast. Oh, that's nice.
And so it's my job to be your like personal jacuzzi?
Yeah, I mean, you can come in here anytime you want.
This is a really good way to introduce ourselves to the neighbors, by the way, really.
Oh, hey, how are you?
Really? This is the tequila you chose?
Yeah, Pepe Lopez.
This is gonna be a long night. Woo!
Oh, you got my tacos.
Uh-huh. I figured you need to eat something.
This is what you married.
Here you go.
Oh, yeah.
You're littering all over the ice. Better clean this up.
Give me a hot sauce? Mmm, nice. Check this out. Giant silly straw, huh? Mmm. That's the way to do it. Oh, that's the good stuff. That's the Pepe Lopez. This, my friends, this is the way you Cinco de Mayo. You know what I mean? Oh, a piñata. We got a piñata. Oh, I forgot all about the piñata. Here we go. Come on. That didn't work. Too much salt. I need a refill. Here we go. Oh, cheers. Oop, oop. Mmm. Oh, yeah. This is the life. Margarita Pool. Cheers. You just get a... No. Mmm. 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 Oh, God. It's so good. It's so good. Oh. Oh. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Uh-oh. Well, that's it. That's all I got for you on this episode. Shit. What am I doing? I want to wish you a very happy Cinco de Mayo. If you make your own margarita swimming pool, I want to see it. I hope you enjoy your Cinco de Mayo. Do me a favor and subscribe, because this is what you're getting. This is it. Like up this video, even if you didn't like it. I don't care. I'll see you around here next time, maybe. Maybe not. I may just die in this pool. I mean, if there is a way to go out, this would be the way. Am I right? How did Rob die? He drowned in a pool of margaritas.